Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is day 20 on backtesting. Cool. Okay. For the live markets, I didn't trade. Just took the day off. Was pretty busy. As for why this backtesting session is around 6. So yeah. As for buys on our backtesting, bullish. Okay. And yeah, nothing much to it. Okay, ES is at all-time highs. We have all these equal highs that we're probably gonna pump, whether it's news or something like that. But definitely looks bullish to me. Okay, so that's that. Let's see if we can manipulate into maybe a 15-minute, 30-minute. Okay, manipulate it into a 15-minute. Okay, let's see if we get a 30-second entry. Yeah, we got a 30-second entry. Let's see if we have S&T at these highs, which I do think we do. Yeah. Okay, so we have S&T at these highs. I'm not gonna want to take that. Would have worked, but unlucky. Not the cleanest trade that I would have taken. Today is Thursday, the 1st of April. Okay, so right now we're just kind of accumulating. I do think we take these highs and these highs. Okay. So see, we can manipulate into, I think there's an open hourly. No, not yet. But there will be. Okay. Open hourly, see if there's S&T. Okay, no, ES is a lot stronger. So not touching the hourly yet. Okay, just accumulating, generating liquidity to the upside. Hoping we manipulate into this hourly and move up before we just move up without actually manipulating. Okay, let's check from 5 minutes. Okay, manipulated into the hourly. We have a nice 2-minute model. Okay, this looks good. One to 3. Let's break even here. Okay, in. Okay, break even. And break even trade. Okay, just poor movement. Very poor movement, not moving, and got break even hunted. Okay, happens. Yeah, I don't think there was a need for that, considering we weren't delivering off of anything really. But yeah, that does happen, and there's nothing you can do about that. Okay, so one break even. Let's go next day. Clearly bullish, like I said. Wanted to sweep all those equal highs, and we did. So now we're in this weekly gap, and we're reacting pretty bearishly off of it. Oh, just new week opening gap. Let's go next day. Okay, so now it's Monday. Is there news? Yeah, there is news actually. 10 a.m. news, so it should be a good day. Okay, so not so manipulation, I don't think. I do think today's an expansion day, as it's already looking like one, but we'll see what we do. So just generate liquidity, and yeah, there it goes. Okay, so only way you can play this is a 4-hour open, low, high, close, and see if we manipulate into maybe a 5-minute gap and then make our move up. Okay, so boom, manipulate into that, exactly what I said. See, there's a 30-second model. Okay, there's a 30-second model. Close right above actually, and I doubt we get a lower 4-hour low. and that this should rip. So this should be a protected low in a way. And just target at 1 to 2. Yeah, okay, break even here. I think ES is stronger, so we might have SMT already. Okay, no SMT just yet, so we'll take a shot at this. Hoping we don't just get break even. Okay, entered. Okay, break even. Okay, and boom. Okay, pretty clean, pretty obvious expansion move. Yeah, nothing much to it. 5-minute manipulation into the 5-minute gap. 10 a.m. open low high close. 1 to 2 30-second model. Pretty clean. Okay, could have done a 1 to 3 if you wanted. If you wanted to hold, I think my entry was like right here. 1 to 3. Let's see if 1 to 3 would have hit. Yeah, 1 to 3 would have hit. So, you could have took that. Ideally, there's nothing that is much to the left of us besides all these gaps. So that's why I just took a 1 to 2. So yeah, let's go to the next day. 1W, 1 break even. Pretty clean price action. Deliveries are kind of slow, but that's okay. So still bullish. I don't think I'll be bearish for a while. Okay, so manipulating down. We do have equal lows here, so let's see if we can trade into this 5-minute gap and have a good reaction. Okay. No 30-second model, so I do want to see us sweep all these lows before we head up. Don't know if we'll get that, but if we get a good reaction at these internal highs, I'll definitely look for shorts, even if I'm bullish. Did ES leave this? No, ES did not sweep this. Okay. Okay, so now we have SMT at these internal highs, and ES or NQ is a weaker pair. So let's see if we could just don't move down. Okay, so that is a fair value gap right here. Change in state right here. Stop above here. Targeting these equal lows all the way down here. Right here. Okay. So let's make sure the 2-minute actually closes below 30, 31. Yeah. Okay, entered. Break even. Honestly, would just be when ES hits this 15-minute gap right here. Okay, so break even as ES hit that 15-minute gap. Should see a flush down pretty quickly. Okay, so hit break even, and good thing we hit break even because ideally ES is stronger. So if we were to really flip and reverse, ES wouldn't want to respect that 15-minute like how it did. Thus why I went break even. But we still could get a shot at shorts. Nothing, no models. Okay, manipulated higher, actually swept here. So probably not gonna take those lows no more, unless we get at least maybe a 5-minute model right here. This gets played out. Okay, so we manipulated one more time. Is that SMT? No, yeah, equal high SMT kind of. So okay, nice 3-minute. So yeah, okay, so maybe this is the sweep. Close below this low. It'll be risky, but I like how we swept and immediately reacted. And we could take this to maybe a 15-minute low. Nah, I would probably want all this, bro. I'll be honest. I'll take it to. I think it's this hourly low right here. Not a lot of structure to the upside. Break even, obviously, this turtle soup of this 15-minute gap. And yeah, good down handles. Okay, so break even. I'm hoping we don't get another break even. And if we're really that bullish, then we might get break even. But some prominent liquidity to the downside. Okay, so moving well. Okay. Watch out for this low. I mean, this is a 1 to 5. If this is a 1 to 3, yeah, I'd probably just take this as this is a 5-minute low. And this is sweeping equal lows, so yeah. 1 to 3, just close it out. I want to see if we get to the actual drawn liquidity. I think this is stretched though, in my opinion. Okay, so it wasn't. Very clean trade. Very clean price action, man. This is how markets should be moving, man. Generate liquidity, sweep of a sweep of a sweep. Down close candles strongly, considering we want to reverse, okay? Get your inverse gaps, get your change in states, retest, boom, good flush down. Okay, manipulate it up a little bit, flush down. Go price action, man. 2 W's, 1 break even. I'll find one more trade as we're actually finding trades pretty quickly and it's pretty obvious where we want to go. And yeah, pretty good price action. It's refreshing. Definitely refreshing. Okay, so I want to see this 4-hour get swept and then make our move up. Okay, got our move down. Okay, man, if we did this 5-minute, man, some very good price action. Wow, if we get this, what a session, man. One to 3. Damn, it's not gonna retrace. Damn, man, it was too good to be true. Let's see if there's a different model that works, different time frame. Yeah, not a single time frame got retraced into. Damn, that's unlucky. Let's see if we can find a continuation model. Low key too good to be true, man. But we can still definitely find a little 1 to 2 maybe. Let's see if we get. We need to retrace into a 15-minute. Okay, retracing to 15-minute. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful reaction. 30-second clean. We can take it to a 1 to 2. Shouldn't get greedy. And we take it 1 to 3. It's pretty bullish. Clear draw liquidities. Let's see. So ES has a clear draw on where it wants to go. Break even here. Break even, very clean price action. No, man. Dude, that would have topped the video off so well. I got too greedy, man. Too greedy. 1 to 2 5 was perfect. 1 to 2 was perfect. I got greedy. But still reacting well. Good price action. We still could get a, we're retracing into his hourly gap. No, not hourly, 30-minute gap. ES is leaving equal highs. Could get tricky where we just start kind of chasing drawn liquidity, which could be pretty bad. But dumping very aggressively, so I don't think the longs. Okay, unless we get a 5-minute model. 3-minute, yeah, 3-minute looks nice. Okay, as we kind of retraced into 0.5 of this range right here perfectly. Okay, tapped the first 30-minute that was created. So this actually looks very good. See, we get a change in state above. This looks good. Stop below this low because we shouldn't come back here as this retraces into a gap and moves back up. So if it does, it definitely doesn't want to go then. Won't be greedy, get my 1 to 2. It definitely has potential to run higher, but that's just if you want to or stuff like that. Okay. Okay, entered. Damn. Didn't want to go. Happens, but honestly, good price action. 3 W's, 2 break evens. No, yeah, 3 W's, 2 break evens, 1 loss. I'll take that. Okay, pretty clean. Clear drawn liquidity. Honestly, a good session. A very good session. Price wasn't confusing me at all. For this loss, definitely should have just waited for this area to get cleared out. Kind of got impatient and to find a trade. Wasn't the greatest considering where there's this big 5-minute breakaway gap and inverse and change state. So honestly, on my part for not zooming out, but we should take these highs. Whether it's 350 macro or yeah. Okay, so there's SMT at the highs. So, oh, not yet. Okay, so yeah, there it goes. Takes it. But honestly, great session. Found my trades pretty quickly. Yeah, good price action, man. That's what it looks like to have good price action. Okay. So yeah. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 20, man. We're about to have a month full of backtesting session videos in less than 10 days, bro. Honestly, crazy how fast life is moving. More than blessed to be in the position I am right now. And honestly, we'll continue growing. It won't be an overnight, over month, maybe over year. But I will be next up. I will, I promise. I'll see you boys later. Peace.